Hey, Jacob from Getz Handyman. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a sprinkler. So this is my sprinkler. I saw that it's not working last night. I always like to put them a little bit either higher or lower than the grass, than the lawn, because that way I can see them when I'm cutting the lawn. Replacing a sprinkler is very simple. Basically what you need to do is come in a twist and just twist it out. Twist it until it's coming completely out. And voila. As you can see, there is this black pipe that's going inside of the connection. You can't really see it. Sometimes that black pipe is breaking inside, and then you need that tool in order to put it in, stick it, and just twist the piece that got broken inside outside. So I'm going to clean it a little bit. Nothing is wrong with that sprinkler, I just wanted to show you. I'm going to clean the thread a little bit, and I'm going to put it back in place. I need to find the plastic connection, and I need to feel when it's twisting inside of it. Now it's inside, and I'm keeping with my twist, and voila, the sprinkler is inside. It's important to say the different sprinklers coming with different angles. There is 90 degrees, there is 180, there is 360. It depends in the area where you're putting the sprinkler and which sprinklers you need for that area. What are you trying to give water to, and if it's too close to the wall, most likely that you will need 180 for that area.